Bago nito. Sabi mo, gigigil mo. Inis na inis si Alvin, no? Pagdala ko sa mo computer niya.
Yes, sir.
Para may remembrance. Kunin natin lahat ng activities natin. May portfolio tayong gagawin. Over the end. Ayoko lang ng ano, basta lang makapag-present. Okay?
Para kita ang flaws. Ano yung sa kanila? Totoo, totoo.
So, good afternoon, everyone. We are in Group 3, and we will going to present you a role play about Topic 5, which is the Gilgamesh and the Battle with Baba. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Come on, ladies. We're here, don't you see?
Like in the museum, ah. Landi mo, baby.
So I wonder, what's the story behind this?
Ay, landi. Landi, ah.
I know the story behind that statue. Come on, I will tell you.
Ooh, lala.
After long Gilgamesh and his arrived at the Cigar Forest, a place in which the lost promises live. They were so astonished and amazed with the beauty of the forest.
That's right. The trees were full grown. The animals were everywhere.
Landi. Nakambal.
But you know that this forest is very dangerous, didn't you? I think Dr. Shikar are not in the forest. That's all. I think I
Kakambal.
remember a recurring dream. And what is it about?
Sir, kakambal ni Don King.
My dream about a terrifying monster. His body is like a beast and a head of a lion. Then, what happened next? You defeated him? Yes, I defeated him. I cut off his head. It's a good sign, Gilgamesh. Gilgamesh. We know that the gods are with us. But it's too dangerous for us to look into the forest. There is a monstrous creature who guides the entrance of the forest, and his name is Humbaba. Based on your dream, you defeated him. It's a good sign. Then, continue a journey to the forest. That's one thing I must trust your opinion. Let's continue our journey.
Gilgamesh and his continued their journey to the Cigar Forest. Umbaba had already felt the presence and his aura was
Ben. Ben.
Your presence. Someone violated my rules. Yes! I sense his aura. He's here. Who are you? Who have awakened me from my slumber and violated my rules? We are here to enter the forest. Let us pass. This forest is divine. Mortals are not allowed. You shall defeat me first.
Nice fight scene, ah. Well choreographed. Ah, sisave ko yan.
all these trees in this forest will be yours.
Kill him, Gilgamesh!
Curse you, mortal! I will curse you to have eternal life, and you shall never die.
So that's what happened, girl. So do you understand?
Please stay, Group. Group, please stay in front.